श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोका number 50 English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samarth Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. नसे अंतरी कामनाना विकारी उदासीन जो तापसी ब्रह्मचारी निवाला मनी लेश नाही तमाचा जगी धन्य तो दास सर्वोत्तमाचा. Blessed devotees are those who do not possess desires and weaknesses. They are indifferent and undertake the penance. They are very calm and stay away from all of the distractions. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are Nase means not exist, Antari means in the heart, Kama means desire, Nana Vikari means different ailments, Udasina means dispassionate, indifferent, Tapasi means ascetic, Brahmachari means celibate, Nivala means contented, Mani means in the mind, Tamacha means of tamasic qualities. Nase antari kama nana vikari. Blessed devotees do not have ill desires. Kama means desire, wish, longing. Kama often connotes sexual desire and longing, but the concept more broadly refers to any desire, wish, passion, longing, pleasure of the senses, desire for or longing to and after the aesthetic enjoyment of life. Vikara means a change of form or nature, alteration or deviation from any natural state, transformation, modification, change, especially for the worse of bodily or mental condition, disease, sickness, hurt, injury. One of the oldest scriptures in Hinduism, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, mentions that a person possesses desires. As their desire is, so is their determination. As their determination is, so is their deed. Whatever their deed is, that is what they attain. Blessed devotees are those who have no desires in their minds. They have full control of their mind. They are firm in their mind about what they want to achieve. They will never deviate from that. They have won over various types of negatively affecting conditions in their mind. A need is something which is essential to survive. The idea of survival is real, meaning someone would die without their needs being met. These include things like food, water, and shelter. As against want is one step up in the order from needs and is simply something that people desire to have that they may or may not be able to obtain. Just look at normally when you lose the peace of your mind. It will always be related to something which does not meet your needs, wants, and desires. The more your desires, the more the chances of not satisfying them, and the more the chance of being anxious and dissatisfied. Your mood swings are proportional to your expectations. Most of the time, the mood swings are exponentially proportional to those expectations. If you closely look at the moments of happiness versus unhappiness, you will find that those of happiness are very few in proportion. That is why we think of pursuit of happiness. Udasinajo tapasi brahmachari, the lifestyle of blessed devotees. Tapasi means someone having devotion with intense self discipline, which is believed to yield special inner powers. Tapas is one of the 10 niyamas, positive duties or observances as described by Maharshi Patanjali, and includes self discipline, meditation, simple and austere living, or any means of inner self purification. Brahmacharya is a concept with a more complex meaning, indicating an overall lifestyle conducive to the pursuit of sacred knowledge and spiritual liberation. Brahmacharya is a means, not an end. It usually includes cleanliness. Ahimsa means non violence, simple living, studies, meditation, and voluntary restraints on certain foods, like eating only sattvic food. Sattvic means pure, essential, natural, vital, energy containing, and clean. Brahmacharya also means restraints on intoxicants and sexual behavior. The one who follows this lifestyle is called brahmachari. Udasin means indifferent. Blessed devotees are those who have a balanced approach. They are so calm that they can see both sides of the coin, highs and lows, ups and downs, and still be unaffected by any of those. They do not see anything as winning and losing. They have removed all distractions from their life. Their goal is very clear. They are focused on devotion towards God, the Supreme Being. Nivala mani lesha nahi tamacha. The qualities of blessed devotees. In the Sankhya philosophy of Hinduism, guna is referred to as one's tendencies or qualities. These are used in Hinduism for categorizing one's behavior and natural phenomena. The three types of qualities are Sattva guna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna. Sattva guna is the quality of balance, harmony, goodness, purity, holistic approach, positive, peaceful, virtuous. Rajoguna is the quality of passion, activity, being driven, moving, dynamic. Tamoguna is the quality of dullness or inactivity, apathy, inertia, or lethargy. These qualities are not considered as present in the either or passion. Rather, everyone and everything has all these three qualities, only in different proportions and in different contexts. The living being or substance is viewed as the net result of the joint effect of these three qualities. One's nature and behavior is a complex interplay of all of these, with each guna in varying degrees. According to Maharshi Patanjali, our mind has five states: kshipta, meaning agitated or scattered; mudha means dull or lethargic; vikshipta means partially focused; ekagra means one pointed; and niruddha means fully arrested. Out of these five, the second state, mudha, is the one dominated by the tamoguna, in which the mind is dull, sleepy, lethargic, and lacking any alertness. In the mudha state, no productive work can be achieved. The desires make us attracted to an object of the senses. However, if we are denied that object, tamoguna can drive us into a state of sadness or even depression. The blessed devotees, according to Samartha Ramdas Swami, do not even have a tint of tamoguna. They are never dull or inactive or lethargic. They only possess the qualities related to sattva guna and rajoguna. They are passionate. They have a positive mental attitude. They are active. They are always calm and peaceful. They have a cool calmness in their mind, which not only is within themselves but also radiates to the people who come in contact with them. नसे अंतरी काम नाना विकारी उदासीन जो तापसी ब्रह्मचारी निवाला मनी लेश नाही तमाचा जगी धन्य तो दास सर्वोत्तमाचा. If you liked this video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. If you really like this, the best thing you can do for us is share with your families and friends. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ